This is your sign para mag-self-care at magpapamper sa Nebo Wellness Spa. Located ito sa G2 Ason, Sampaloc, Manila. If you're looking for the perfect me time, sobrang worth it talaga dito. Finally, na-try ko na nga Moroccan bath nila. And here's why everyone should try it. The treatment starts with a warm steam para mag-open yung pores. Then apply Moroccan black soap followed by full body exfoliation na nag-aalis yung dead skin. After that, super linis, fresh at ang lambot talaga ng feeling ng skin ko. After just one session, ramdam mo na agad yung difference. Ang smooth ang skin ko, and yung feeling ko na ang gaan ng katawan ko, sobrang relaxing talaga. Plus, ang ganda pa ng ambience nila, very aesthetic, cozy, and peacefully. After yung treatment, they even serve you a warm cup of ginger tea. Kaya mas nakaka-relax at mas feel mo talaga yung self-care experience. So if you're looking for the perfect way to unwind while giving your skin the care it deserves, try the Moroccan bath at Nebo Wellness Spa. Trust me, it's an experience you want to come back to. Book your appointment today.